Hi guys, it's Casey from Coding Kid, and I'm actually not at home, and I'm using my laptop to take a video, and it's not exactly working out that well. Well, anyway, let's get started, and I'm gonna tell you about the new Apple's 2018 rumored lineup. So, Apple's 2018 rumored lineup, there's lots of things that could happen, and one of the things that could happen is that we have, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could have 5 phones this year. That is a possible thing that could happen. Apple rumored they would have one phone like the iPhone 10, one 5.8-inch OLED display phone, and a 6.5-inch, the size of the iPhone 8 Plus, like the iPhone 10 with an edge-to-edge display, and then there'd be a 6.1-inch LCD, a cheaper iPhone with like maybe still bezels, and maybe it would come in some like colorful colors. And then we would have 2 iPhone SEs. One like regular iPhone SE, which looks like our current iPhone SE, and one with maybe an edge-to-edge screen, maybe without Face ID or with Face ID. Then also we would maybe have some colorful colors, and also even more interestingly, we could have fast charging in the box. There are many rumors, and then we would have USB-C on the box. So thank you and bye.